Hello and welcome to EPESI tutorial installation using Softaculous autoinstaller. I assume you have to have already hosting set up, and when you are in cPanel you will find Softaculous autoinstaller. Search for ERP EPESI. As you can see, I already have two installations. I will perform additional one. Click on install. Select your protocol. HTTP is fine. Of course, your domain. However, how many domains you have parked on your hosting directory. I will call it EPESI demo. Database name, leave it default. Site name. This should be actually your company name. Softaculous autoinstaller doesn't do very good installation. Certain things need to be corrected later on, but this is a good start. A login name, a password, of course, should be something that you will remember, not as bad as mine. First name, let's say Joe. A city. I will actually show you why Softaculous autoinstaller doesn't do a very good job yet. We are working with developers to correct this issue. If you use UTF-8 formatting, it will not work well. And your valid email address. Advanced options, they don't need to be changed. You can correct them later. And install. At this moment, the database was created, user for this database, and EPESI directory is being populated with the entire all the modules being unpacked, and several steps are being performed in the background. And here is your installation, login. And this is it. It takes literally 30 seconds and a couple of mouse clicks. Now I will show you that this is the error. Not really an error, but improper UTF-8 formatting. I'm gonna edit this, and you should fill in your full company information. Put in phone number and other info. Of course, here we need to correct UTF-8 formatting. The first user was created. You can see also the script wasn't working well. What you can do is you can copy company data, and the system automatically will update whatever was in the main company. Thank you for watching.